Hello, you're welcome to today's class, and I'll be teaching you how to calculate your percentage. So number one, we have 15% of 500. So what is 15% of 500? We all know that percentage is over 100. Therefore, 15% will be equals to 15 over 100 times, you change your off to times 500. Now we are going to cancel. 0 cancel 0. 0 cancel 0. What we have left is 15 times 5. 15 times 5 will give us 75. So 15% of 500 is equals to 75. Number 2, we have 20% of 250. So this is equals to 20 over 100 times 250. Now we are going to also cancel. 0 we cancel 0, and 0 we cancel 0. We have 2 times 25 left, and 2 times 25 is 50. Therefore, 20% of 250 is equals to 50. And here we have 3% of 1,500. This is equals to 10 over 100 times 1,500. So now we are going to cancel. 0 we cancel 0. Another 0 we cancel 0. What we have is 10 times 15. 10 times 15 is equals to 150. Therefore, 10% of 1,500 is 150. And finally, we have 50% of 1,000, and this is equals to 50 over 100 times 1,000. We are going to cancel our 0. 0 we cancel 0. 0 we cancel 0. So what we have is 50 times 10. So 50 times 10 is equals to 500. Therefore, 50% of 1,000 is equals to 500. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video.